Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our Phrasal Verbs series. In this video, we're going to cover 10 more commonly used phrasal verbs to help you enhance your English language skills. Let's dive in. One, bring down.
Bring down the barrier.
Bringing the hammer down.
This phrasal verb is often used to talk about reducing something, whether it's prices, numbers, or even emotions. For instance, you might hear people say, they're trying to bring down inflation, which means they're trying to reduce the rate at which prices are increasing. It can also be used metaphorically to mean reducing tension, like bring down the tension in the room.
They try and bring our price down.
Price would come down.
Price is going to keep going down.
But it sure brought down corn prices.
The prices have been coming down.
I brought myself down.
Brought the house down.
You brought down that terrorist.
Second, cut back on.
Cut back on everything.
Cut back on the steak.
Cutting back on our electricity.
Cut back on is frequently used when talking about reducing consumption of things like food, expenses, or habits. For example, if you're spending too much money on takeout, you might decide to cut back on eating out to save money. It implies a deliberate effort to reduce or control a particular behavior or resource.
We're going to cut back on shopping, too.
And they're cutting back on the nuts.
We're not cutting back on food. Anything else?
Lay low and cut back on unnecessary expenses.
Exercise. Cut back on the fruit pies.
I've been meaning to cut back on my caffeine.
Now, are our enemies cutting back on military spending?
3. Give away.
You give away your time, we give away prizes.
He's giving everything away.
Give away is about offering something to someone without expecting anything in return. It's commonly used when people want to donate or share items they no longer need, like clothes, toys, or food. For example, he gave away his old books to the library. This phrasal verb can also imply revealing a secret unintentionally, like she gave away the surprise.
They're giving away lobster.
Stop giving away candy!
You're giving away a kidney.
There's $4,000 to give away, so...
They're giving away free food.
4. Go after.
Go after me?
Go after her.
Go after them.
Go after means to actively pursue a goal, dream, or even a person. It implies determination and effort. For instance, if someone says, I'm going after that promotion, it means they're putting in the effort to get promoted at work. It can also mean pursuing a person in a romantic or competitive sense, like, he's going after the same client as me.
You go after everyone. You go after your team.
Women go after doctors like men go after models.
But if you want to go after her, go after her.
You go after me professionally, I'll go after you personally.
5. Look forward to.
Looking forward to tomorrow.
Looking forward to it.
Looking forward to it.
Look forward to is a positive phrasal verb used when you're anticipating something enjoyable in the future. For instance, you might look forward to a family gathering, a concert, or a holiday. It shows eagerness or excitement about an upcoming event. For example, she's looking forward to starting her new job means she's excited and eager to begin.
Looking forward to tonight.
Looking forward to it.
Looking forward to the dance.
Looking forward to the rematch. All right.
Looking forward to the weekend?
Yeah, looking forward to the show.
Looking forward to that drink.
Looking forward to seeing more.
So, looking forward to school?
6. Pass out.
Oh, I passed out.
I pass out.
I passed out.
Pass out refers to a sudden loss of consciousness, often caused by fatigue, dehydration, or stress. People may pass out due to extreme heat, lack of food, or medical conditions. For example, the hiker passed out from dehydration. It's a common way to describe fainting or collapsing unexpectedly.
You passed out.
You passed out.
Okay. She passed out.
It's okay to pass out.
I passed out behind the wheel.
7. Pick up.
Pick that up. Pick it up.
Pick it up, pick it up! No!
Pick up has multiple meanings. It can literally mean lifting something, as in, can you pick up that book? It can also refer to learning something quickly or informally, like picking up a new language or skill. For instance, he picked up cooking during the lockdown.
Pick that up. Pick what up?
Pick up Homo, pick him up.
Pick it up, pick it up.
I picked you up some samples.
Can you pick up some calzones?
Picking up some extra cash.
You'll pick up some social skills.
So I picked up some detective skills.
You know, you pick up some tricks. Picked up this little trick. Maybe I could pick up some new tricks.
Look, the gorillas have picked up some new habits.
You pick up new hobbies pretty quick.
It's a hobby I picked up in Hungary.
8. Put down.
Put me down! Put me down!
Put those down. Put those down.
Put me down! Put me down!
Put it down! Put it down!
Put down has two meanings: placing something on a surface or criticizing someone. When used in the context of criticism, it means to belittle someone or make them feel inferior. 9. Take after.
She takes after Carla.
Takes after her mom.
He takes after you.
Take after means to look or behave like an older family member, usually a parent or grandparent.
Takes after his mother.
Takes after his father.
She takes after you.
He takes after me.
Takes after his mother.
She takes after you, maybe.
She takes after her father.
I take after my granny.
Turn in.
I'm turning in.
I'm turning in.
We gotta turn this in. Turn it in.
Turn in your old weapon. Turn in all metal.
Turn in has two primary meanings: going to bed and submitting something, like an assignment or a report.
I'm turning in,
I'm gonna turn in.
Anyone failing to turn in any homework assignment.
Don't forget to turn in your short story assignment. I even turned in a few assignments late.
Do you know he didn't even turn in his history assignment?
Okay, class, it's time to turn in your family tree assignments.
And if I didn't turn the report in?
Well, if you didn't turn the report in...
You know, I'm turning in my report to...
Hey, has anyone turned in their status reports up here?
I hope you found these phrasal verbs helpful and easy to understand. If you haven't watched Part 1, 2, or 3, make sure to check them out. Also, stay tuned for the final part of this series, where we'll cover even more phrasal verbs. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out.